Okay, now let's do the multiplication of binomial by binomial. Now you have two binomials which are written in bracket, one multiplied by another. Now you can see in your textbook question number 4, A part. Now I am writing with different markers so that you can know how to do it. A part is y plus 2 bracket y minus 4. This is the question. Now what you do, you have one method which I am explaining. What you do, take this as same, you break down this part, or you can make this as same and break down this part. Clear? I am breaking down the later part. What I will do, I break down into two parts. So what are the two terms? Y and minus 4. So this y will be multiplied by this, and then this minus 4 will be multiplied by this term. Now let's start. Y plus 2. This y will be multiplied with this binomial. Minus 4. This 4 will be multiplied by y plus 2. Clear? It is my own convenient that I am always break down the later binomial. You can break down this also. So when you break down this part, how to multiply y multiply by y minus 4 plus 2 multiply by y minus 4. What I did, I break down y minus 4 into two parts. One will be y and another will be minus 4. So this y will be multiplied by y plus 2 and this minus 4 will be multiplied by y plus 2. Now it will become like a distributive property. So y into y become y square. Now in this case y plus 2, y into 2 become 2y. Now in this case students, there is a negative sign outside the bracket. So all the sign will be changed. So 4 into y become minus 4y, minus plus minus 4 into 2, and it will become 8. Clear all of you? Now you can see after getting this answer, this term will be like term. You can simplify my 2y and 4y. So it will become y square minus 2y minus 8. Because plus minus is minus, 4 minus 2 is 2. We put the sign of greater absolute value. Understood all of you? Now I am doing one more part of it, that is C part, which says x square plus 5 and x square plus 10. Now I am writing these two binomials. Again I am dividing this x square plus 10 into two parts. One time x square will be multiplied with this binomial. Then another time this 10 will be multiplied by this binomial. So x square plus 5 plus 10 x square plus 5. Students, you just keep one thing in your mind, that this bracket, whatever you will write it inside the bracket, that should be same for both the cases. You can see here y plus 2, y plus 2. X square plus 5, x square plus 5. Clear? Now we simplify this. X square into x square plus 5x into x square plus 10 into x square plus 5 into 10. Clear? Now we simplify. X square and x square become x square raised to the x raised to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 10x square plus 5 tens are 50. Now you can see these two are like terms. Students, it is not necessary that every time you will get the like terms. Sometimes you will get the unlike term also. So but when you get the answer, just check whether you have any like term or not. So these two are like terms. We simplify it. X raised to power 4 plus 5 plus 10 become 15. X square plus 50. So this is the answer of it. Thank you.